Make it fast.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Divya? What's happening? Divya! Divya!
Yes,
Divya!
coming.
Divya! Come soon!
Yes, coming. Huh? Yes? Gaurav, what's wrong with you?
Divya,
What happened?
something is happening. Call the doctor.
Okay.
I'm not feeling good, doctor.
Okay. I'm doing it. Gaurav? Hello, doctor? Doctor, I don't know what happened to my husband. Please come fast. Yes? Okay. Yes, doctor is coming. Please be strong.
Pandey,
Yes, sir.
call the ambulance and
Yes,
send
sir.
the body for post-mortem. And take these laptop and mobile as evidences.
Okay, sir.
And search every inch of this house.
Okay, sir.
Don't leave any evidence behind.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so ma'am, who are you?
Sir, he's my husband.
Okay. And who else lives in this house?
Sir, nobody stays here other than me and him.
Okay. Did your husband had any kind of enmity? Or was he in some sort of depression?
No, sir. My husband was a very kind hearted person. Why would he have enmity with someone?
Listen, ma'am, have patience. Police is doing their duties. For now, I'll leave. If required, I'll come back. Pandey,
Yes, sir.
go and collect all their call details.
Yes, sir.
And check all the details on social media.
Yes, sir.
Each one of them.
Okay, sir.
And send one undercover agent behind them.
Okay, sir.
No matter how sharp a criminal is, but while doing a crime, he always leaves the evidence. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Come.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Aman, you sit down. I'll be back within 2 minutes and then we'll start studying.
Okay.
And
Yeah?
yes, yesterday I have given you some homework. You have to complete it. I'll come back and check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Aman. Aman. Aman.
Huh?
Show me your homework.
Yes.
Aman.
Here it is.
What is this? You haven't completed your homework.
Oh, well, actually, ma'am, I had gone out for a couple of days. That's why I didn't get time to do the homework.
Your way of making excuses won't work on me. Complete your homework by tomorrow. Or else.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how did you get this bruise on your hand?
Uh, well, I just fell down.
Oh. Madam, with this bruise doesn't look like one from falling.
Please.
Huh?
Hey kid, go home. Today's tuition is over. Go home. Have I told you? Cover your body properly. Don't you understand? You like to flaunt your bodies in front of others, isn't it?
Aman, have you done your homework today? Today I don't want any excuses.
Yes, ma'am. There you go.
Good. That's great. Nowadays you are completing your homework. Okay, do one thing. Open the next chapter. Aman, are you daydreaming or what? Open the next chapter.
Divya, ma'am. Can I ask you a question? Only if you don't mind.
Yes, ask.
Your husband hits you, right? These bruises. He gives you all these bruises. Why don't you make your husband understand that he should not do like this?
Aman, I already told you that I fell down. These bruises are because of that.
Ma'am, yesterday when I was passing through your house, I thought your husband was hitting you. So I came to your door and heard everything.
Aman, what are you doing? Aman, what are you doing?
Putting some ointment.
Aman, leave it. I'll do it myself. Aman, you're crossing your limits.
Yes, I am. Because I can't see you in this situation, ma'am. Because I have really started to like you. I really like you. I love you.
Aman, I'm already married and you're only my student.
Ma'am, all I know is that I can't live without you. And I love you a lot.
Madam, your Pati Gopal has not committed suicide. In fact, he was murdered.
What? Who did this?
Really? Don't you know who's behind this?
What are you trying to say?
Divya ma'am, according to the post-mortem report, your husband did not die because of eating some sleeping pills. He died because of poison. And we have already taken your and Ajay's call details. So now would you say the truth? Or do you want me to bring the truth out of you? Tell me, why did you murder your husband? Answer me.
Sir, my husband used to beat me. And one day Ajay came to know about it. Even I didn't realize when his sympathy turned into love. Even I didn't understand. And we both were very happy. And my husband couldn't see me happy. Then one day...
So, why don't you get separated from your husband?
He will never ever let me leave him.
If he won't let you get separated, so you can give him poison in his food and get separated.
Are you really out of your mind? How could you even think about it?
I think you should give it a try. Put poison in his food and put some sleeping pills in his food also. And then see, everyone feel that he has committed suicide. No
You-
one will bother you.
You are really crazy. Leave me.
Only if you show your guts just once, you will never be hit again in life. And you won't have to live this filthy life.
Drink. It's getting cold.
Yes, you go, I'll drink it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hey, why haven't you finished it yet? Now will you
Hey,
finish
can't you
it
see
and
I'm
give me
working?
the glass?
I will drink it later on. I'm doing some work now. Now
So
go.
why can't you drink it now? First take this and drink it.
Hmm.
Drink it fast.
Hmm. What's wrong? Why is my head paining so much? Divya! Divya!
Yes.
Where are you?
Yes, coming.
Divya! Call the doctor fast! Something is happening to me. Something is not right with me. Call the doctor, please. Divya! Divya! Divya!
If your husband used to hit you, if he tortured you, so you should have taken help from the law. This young guy told you to do this and you did it. You killed your own husband. You are under arrest. Arrest them. Pandey.
Let's go.